Why are most people right-handed? Look at your hands.
Odds are about 9 in 10 you're using your right one to scroll this video. But why is the world so dominated by right-handers?
Today, we're diving into the biology, psychology, and evolution behind one of humanity's most surprising quirks. Across every country, every culture, and every historical period, one pattern stays consistent. About 85 to 90% of humans are right-handed. No known population anywhere in the world has more left-handers than right-handers. So what's going on? Is it nature or nurture? In many cultures, especially in parts of Asia, the Middle East, and Africa, using the left hand was historically discouraged. Kids were trained or even forced to switch to the right. And yes, this lowers left-handedness rates. But here's the twist. Even in societies with no pressure at all, lefties still make up a small minority. That consistency suggests something deeper, something biological. Scientists have found that hand preference begins before we're even born. By around 10 weeks of pregnancy, fetuses tend to move their right arm more. By 15 weeks, most are already sucking their right thumb. This suggests that the brain has a built-in default setting. Right-handedness comes naturally from early brain development. It's not one gene, but possibly up to 40 genes influencing how the brain wires itself. These genes don't determine handedness directly. They shape brain structure in a way that favors the right hand. So why do some people still become left-handed? Chemistry, literally. Scientists believe random fluctuations in key molecules during early brain development can switch the balance, creating natural left-handers, no specific gene or environment required. One theory says our ancestors became mostly right-handed because of tool use. Skilled movements passed down generations, stone tools, spears, later swords, favored consistent hand dominance. Another fascinating theory? Combat advantage. When two people fight with sharp weapons, a right-hander naturally targets an opponent's left side, where most of the heart lies. This gives right-handers a slight survival boost over thousands of years. But don't count lefties out. They had advantages too. Because they're rare, their movements are harder to predict. In both combat and sports, that unpredictability is powerful. That's one reason left-handers survived evolution and remain stable at around 10 to 15%. So why are most people right-handed? It's a mix. Cultural pressures in some societies, brain development before birth, dozens of genes influencing brain asymmetry, evolutionary forces like tool use and combat. Right-handedness became the norm, but left-handers kept their unique edge. So next time you pick up a pen, throw a ball, or scroll on your phone, remember that your dominant hand is the product of millions of years of biology, chance, and survival.